This morning I'm working on a Mercedes ML280cdi W164 SUV, and it's got a battery discharge problem. The customer's reported that the battery goes flat overnight or after periods of extended sitting. I'm going to show you a few ways that we can look into this problem. Firstly, we've got a multimeter hooked up here showing the battery drain in amps. So we've got a resting drain of about 1.7 amps. The door closed, it goes slightly lower, and it seems to sit at about 1.69 amps, which is far too high. A good reading on these should be certainly below half an amp. Got the rear inner panel trim cover off here, and going through and disconnecting one by one the fuses and relays here, looking for differences in the battery discharge rate. With that, you can see our battery drain has gone down from about 1.69 to 1.32. We can try these other ones here. So it's gone down even further, 1.25, but it's still far too high. So with the power supply disconnected to the rear, our battery drain is now down to 0.5 amps, which is more in a realistic range. Still a bit high for my liking. Still looking down in this rear compartment on the Mercedes ML, I've got the battery drain down to 0.1 amps, which is fantastic. What I've done is down here, one of these SAM control units, I've disconnected the plugs, and there's likely some water damage in there. You can see the bluey green coloured corrosion there on some of the plugs. Now this can be a common problem on this W164 ML because water can leak into them through, I believe, the top of the tail lights here down onto that control unit. So I need to do a bit more investigation, but likely our problem is with that corroded control unit there.